Hey everybody, just thought I'd show you what I've been working on the last couple days. I scrounged up some material, some 20 gauge galvanized that's been painted, and made my own brackets. Went to Harbor Freight, got my own hardware. Just thought I'd do a quick video and show you guys. Pan around here for a little bit. I know this is for demonstration purposes. I know there's a tree shading right there, but I got nothing plugged in. This is just purely a demo. Just thought I'd show this to you guys, because I posted before and just had everything propped up and kind of frowned upon about just throwing panels up there. But I just thought I'd let you guys know. Pretty simple and easy. Have a good one.